The conception of a modern patio oasis that defies traditional norms by seamlessly incorporating fire and water elements exemplifies the power of unlikely combinations. By embracing clean lines, concrete embellishments, and the refreshing additions of water and greenery, this design showcases the potential for creating captivating outdoor spaces that resonate with modern sensibilities. When it comes to designing your perfect patio, remember that unexpected matches can yield the most remarkable results, as seen in this harmonious fusion of fire and water. The creation of a cozy outdoor seating area that seamlessly combines comfort, home decor embellishments, pergola lines, and privacy curtains allows for a truly inviting outdoor living space. The snug furnishings, accentuated by the use of an outdoor rug, plush pillows, and a lilac throw, provide a haven for relaxation. The vertical patterning adds depth and space, while the pergola and privacy curtains offer shade, privacy, and the perfect backdrop for intimate conversations. By embracing these design elements, outdoor living becomes a comfortable and enjoyable experience, inviting you to savor moments of tranquility in your own backyard oasis. The ethereal pergola oasis, with its wooden structure, gracefully draped canvas screen, and oversized modular day bed, presents a captivating and tranquil escape within a poolside setting. Its functional design not only provides shade and privacy, but also creates an elegant outdoor living space that seamlessly blends with the natural surroundings, offering a sheltered retreat for swimmers and a cozy haven for relaxation. This backyard paradise exemplifies the perfect fusion of functionality and beauty. Embark on your own journey to serenity by embracing the allure of an ethereal pergola oasis, transforming your poolside area into a heavenly sanctuary. In this charming mountain abode, the outdoor patio embodies tranquility and elegance. The cozy warmth of the fireplace, the refined and modern patio chairs, and the classical embellishments seamlessly intertwine to create a serene and sophisticated seating area. The meticulously laid stone patio forms a picturesque backdrop, accentuating the natural beauty of the surroundings. Whether enjoying a glass of wine or indulging in quiet moments, this outdoor sanctuary offers the perfect retreat, where relaxation and refined charm meet in harmony. Embrace the allure of this charming mountain patio and immerse yourself in its enchanting ambience. The fusion of Cubist principles, modern patio decor, and natural elements in this garden patio oasis results in a truly captivating outdoor space. By embracing simplicity and clean lines, the patio exudes a contemporary elegance. The transformation from a rooftop terrace to a serene garden patio infuses tranquility into the urban environment. With the addition of transitional home decor accents, the patio becomes a visually intriguing and inviting space. Immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of this unique garden patio oasis, where style and nature converge in perfect harmony. In this seaside patio design, all the elements harmoniously come together, resulting in a truly magical space. The addition of an elegant bare branch tree, punch tin lanterns, and glowing vessels infuse the patio with whimsy and enchantment. The soft glow of the ambient light illuminates the natural timber flooring and billowing curtains, fostering a serene and captivating ambience. When creating your own magical space, draw inspiration from materials that speak to your imagination and evoke a sense of wonder. Immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings, and let your patio become a sanctuary of enchantment. This central courtyard exemplifies a harmonious blend of ancient Roman tradition and bold patio decor. It embraces the concept of open interior spaces while fulfilling multiple functions, providing a versatile area for dining, relaxation, and gardening. The stylish patio decor elevates the courtyard's aesthetic appeal, with the undulating chevron rug and fleur-de-lis throw pillows, adding splashes of color and pattern to the living space. Immerse yourself in the allure of this unique courtyard, where history meets modern design, and experience the captivating beauty of its bold elegance. This quiet outdoor oasis showcases a solid construction, modern aesthetics, and a focus on privacy and style. The combination of the red slated privacy screen, backed by a deep green vertical hedge, creates a secluded and intimate space for relaxation. The lush and tranquil setting invites you to unwind and enjoy quiet conversations. When designing your own outdoor space, remember to prioritize comfort and consider the seating capacity that aligns with your lifestyle. Create an extended living area that offers both privacy and style, allowing you to embrace the beauty of outdoor living in a serene and inviting setting. The hibiscus laden veranda stands as a show-stopping masterpiece of natural beauty. The thick green boughs crowned with pink hibiscus blooms create a visual spectacle that transforms the space into a tropical oasis. The classic brick patio serves as a timeless backdrop, while large pots filled with blooming hibiscus plants add bursts of color and elegance. This straightforward design emphasizes the allure of simplicity, allowing the natural beauty of the flowers to take center stage. When designing your own patio space, consider incorporating plants and flowers that reflect your personal style and harmonize with the overall design aesthetic. Let the enchanting blooms create a captivating outdoor retreat that brings joy and tranquility to your surroundings. The unique curved pergola and harmonious outdoor design create a captivating haven that stands out from the ordinary. The round pergola, sitting atop a wooden platform, serves as a comfortable nook for relaxation and entertainment. The presence of curved designs throughout the outdoor decorations, coupled with the use of natural materials, creates a cohesive and inviting ambience. When cultivating your own outdoor space, embrace your creativity and consider incorporating unique design elements that reflect your personal style. Let your imagination soar and create a one-of-a-kind outdoor oasis that captivates the senses and brings a sense of joy and individuality to your surroundings.